Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, what a fantastic market. Who would have thought Nifty will be rallying 400 point and then Bank Nifty will be meeting with a huge short covering. I always tell people if there is a local holiday, better to keep your positions very, very light. We need to factor in 2 days of global cues on one day. Assume that both the days now markets are up in globally, then we will be up significantly. Both days markets were down significantly globally, then we will go down significantly. And moreover, Friday is a day, usually there will be some kind of a trending. But today's market action was very, very volatile. There was a huge gap up of about 300 points. And after that, Nifty fell 200 points. Then again, Nifty shot up 300 points. Not even 300, I think it should be around 350 from the low level. So that was a huge swing of 700, 800 points in Nifty. Finally, Nifty closed decisively above 24,500. Remember, the range for this month, I said 24,000 to 25,000. And the markets were selling off, and markets Nifty was trading closer to the lower end of the trading range rather than the higher end of the trading range. But today that got corrected, and now Nifty almost closed at the midpoint of the trading range, 24,000 to 25,000. So clearly now 24,000 will be a very good support, and of course the resistance at 25,000 stands. Probably now the US markets are stabilizing. In fact, it has recovered a lot from the low levels from the recent brutal sell-off, we can say. The rate cut hope will increase going forward for the next few weeks. And in September, definitely there will be some rate cut, and mostly people are expecting half a percentage point of rate cut. So that is really very good. So markets are likely to go higher again. And then after that, Maharashtra state assembly election, Haryana state election, Jharkhand state election, then US election, all those uncertainty will come. So markets from now to December, it's not going to be a smooth ride. So it's going to be highly volatile. And, I'm expecting at least, Nifty to test 25,000 once again before December, and Nifty to test 24,000 also before December once. So let us see what is going to happen. But today, FIIs have turned net buyers. Domestic institutions also turned net buyers. I think in the tug of war between FIIs and DIIs, the domestic institutions may be, with the winner, because the money power, muscle power, everything is very high with domestic institutions. Usually, retail people used to stand with the FIIs rather than the domestic institutions. But this time, retail people are standing with the domestic institutions rather than FIIs. So I think now there may be a point at which there will be a selling exhaustion by the FIIs. And if they start buying, 25,000 can be visited again. So it's just a matter of 2 percentage point. And we have a lot of time from now to December. So overall, there is nothing much to discuss today. As I told you, I'm in the hill station where the net connectivity is so poor. So I did not trade today because of very low net speed, unable to collect the data also. So anyway, the remaining things we will discuss on Sunday during the last week ahead program. By Sunday afternoon, I should be reaching Chennai. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.